Hi everyone, I'm Bannie from Enbon. Today I will introduce a high-end product of Enbon R5 series. As a flagship product of Enbon, it retains all the traditional advantages. Its biggest selling point is the faster lock, which is easy to operate and ensure safety. Look at the module, we have 4 pixel pitch of this product. 2.6, 2.8, 3.9, and 4.8. At the same time, 6 cabins can pack in one flat case. It can save a large part of transportation costs. As for the material, we use die-casted aluminum, which is so robust and durable. After a brief introduction of these cabins, let's take a look at the internal structure. As you can see, the internal structure is so simple and orderly than ever traditional cabins. Next, I will show you another design point. Look at the module. We use 4 front buttons. It's very convenient for installation and maintenance. As a rental screen, I believe the convenience must be your key consideration. Let me show you the details of R5 and see how we can help you to save more time through various details. Next, let's take a look at how the cabins work. And now we are testing the screens. If you like this product, please contact us through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other social media. We will always welcome your inquiries.